The original Maker Faire started back in 2006 in San Francisco. It provides a platform for anyone from scientists to hobbyists to show off their experimental projects and share what they have learned.
This one brings all of the different crafts and makers together all in one space, so there's a huge variety.
On display were automated embroidering, CO2 laser engraving and cutting, 3D printing and robots, lots of robots. The bonus, an interactive environment. School robotics programs were vying strongly to grab hold of youngsters' interest to guide them towards the mastery of robotics. They start the prospective engineer out easy. After mastering the basic nuts and bolts, it's off to Villanova Wildcats robotic team stall for the first robot, a bristlebot.
To make your bristlebot, you need a toothbrush head, a motor, and a battery. In order to complete the circuit of the motor, you need to connect the red wire of the motor to the positive side of the battery and the blue wire to the negative side of the battery.
The vibrations of the motor causes the brush head to start moving. It's the pipe cleaner design that determines how successful their robot will navigate the race course.
Once a child's interest in robotics is sparked, the next step is Lego.
From the age of 6, students can join the Junior Lego League, where they are guided by mentors in the 3 main components of robotics.
They sort of spark their interest for mechanical, electrical, and programming because there are wires that they need to connect motors to. And then there is a program that's block-based, very visual and simple, that's really easy to wrap your mind around.
After being able to compile these basic building blocks of robotics, they graduated to the next level.
A student can join the high school robotics program without any previous knowledge. First Robotics, a non-profit educational organization, sets a game challenge for the teams in January. They have 6 weeks to build the robot. Typically, teams will meet 3 months in advance to learn basic skills and strategize.
The student will gain hands-on experience by touching the robot, programming it, wiring it, and designing it.
This year's game is called Power Up, where robots must climb and stack cubes.
These machines have real-world applications, which the students then put into practice in competitions.
To guide students towards career opportunities in the field, the CAD/CAM and industrial programs at St.Clair College offer mentoring services to help them design and build components for their robots.
We'll go out to the high schools. We'll say, yes, this is a CAD/CAM project, a CNC project. This is a 3D printable project. Come over to the college, we'll help you manufacture those components for your robots.
And the payoffs are usually well worth it.
It's wow, that is so cool, I can't wait to run one of these myself. I'd love to have one of these in my garage.
To be honest, I didn't think it was going to be this popular, so we're just thrilled that it's been this successful, and the intent is to do it every year.
I'm Bernard de Vaal for Mediaplex Live at 1.